Let's analyze regarding Bhagwan Rajneesh. There are some human beings who claim Bhagwan Rajneesh is God. Once during question at the time, one of our Hindu brothers, he told me, the brother Zakir, we Hindus don't consider Bhagwan Rajneesh to be God. I said, I never said Hindus consider Bhagwan Rajneesh to be God. I've read the Hindu scriptures. Nowhere in the Hindu scriptures it says that Bhagwan Rajneesh is God. I said some human beings consider him to be God. So let us put this Bhagwan Rajneesh to the test of Surah Ikhlas. The first is, Kul Huwallahu Ahad. Say he is Allah one and only. Was Bhagwan Rajneesh one and only? Was he the only human being who claimed to be God? There are thousands of people who have claimed to be God, especially the country where I come from. There are tens of thousands of men who have claimed to be God. You know, India. It has a very rich heritage for many centuries. And I come from that country. And I'm proud to be a citizen of India. But in that country, we have many human beings in the past and even today, who claim to be God. Rajneesh is not the only one.